competition. She will sing a television. Hit, hit, hit. Dawn is never. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hit, hit. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your finger in your ear. Hit. But Dawn still has hiccups.
Suck.
Suck on the
Slice.
slice of lemon. Hit. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives down a glass of water. Drink is down.
Upside down.
Upside down. Dawn's hiccup go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her